Shalom! Thank you for tuning in with Dining with Zion, and today we are going to be making lemon pepper garlic mashed potatoes. You guys definitely don't want to miss this recipe, so make sure you guys like, share, and also subscribe and click that notification button down below for more upcoming videos. With that, I will see you in the recipe. Welcome back, you guys. So we're going to start off with 2 russet potatoes, and that is the larger kind. And what we're going to do is peel this. So go ahead and get out your potato peeler and let's start peeling. And once you're done peeling the potato, what we're going to do is now start to cut this down into bite sizes. But you'll see that. Keep watching. And make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this channel, because I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. But moving on. So once you're done peeling off all of the peeling, what you're going to do is now cut it down to the bite sizes. And the reasons why you're cutting it down is so the cook time is much shorter. So as I'm showing you right now, I'm cutting it down into bite sizes, cutting it into 4s. And now I'm going to show you how I do mine. And right here I have 4 cups of water, and then I'm going to place the potatoes inside of the water. And from here, we're going to cook this for approximately about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your stovetop. And once it has been boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to poke a fork inside the potato just to see if it's softened. And when it's soft, that's when you know you're done. So go ahead and drain that water. And now let's get to adding these seasonings. So here I have the garlic and herb butter that I created. I'll link a video up above of how you can make it. So I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of this garlic and herb butter, which tastes so delicious. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of regular butter. Don't start seasoning now. We're going to get to the seasoning later. I'm going to add a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. This is going to allow your potatoes to soften and also become very creamy. So once you've added that, don't worry, we're not done yet. We're just going to give this a quick stir so all of that butter and herbs just incorporate together. And then we're going to mash it with a potato masher. But unfortunately, my potato masher broke on me. So don't judge me, okay? Use what you got. So I'm just using this utensil that I have to smash it. Hey, it works the same. It does the job. And once you're done mashing your potatoes, what you can then do is now start the seasoning process. So I'm going to add some black pepper, and it's about a good tablespoon. You guys can add more to your liking if you desire so. And then right here I have some garlic and herb sea salt. If you guys want to know where I got that, just go ahead and hit me down in the comments and I'll let you guys know. And then right here I have some lemon and herb. This is no different from lemon and pepper, you guys. So you can definitely substitute that lemon and herb with lemon and pepper. And then I have some fresh lemon zest. And this dish, or this side dish, definitely goes great with fish. It goes great with lamb chops, anything. So once you've reached your capacity of your taste, make sure you taste this for your liking. Go ahead and stir it together, and once that's done and over with, what you're going to do is now add some dry chives on top. Trust me, it's going to elevate the taste 10 times. And then once that's it, there you go. You got yourself some homemade creamy mashed potatoes. Let me add on that lemon pepper. So make sure you guys also like, share, and subscribe. Come on now, let Lawful Food go viral again, you guys. Share this. On top of that, Stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Shalom.